Hey everybody, Larry here with some interesting, pretty cool looking photos taken by the Mars Preseverance just yesterday, well, August 6, 2022, of what appears to be, well, should I say it? Sandworms. I probably shouldn't be saying that, well, not yet. It was using its left Mastcam Z camera. So go ahead and take a look at these photos. And of course, it's actually circled, but do you see what's missing? Or well, what actually appeared? Take a look, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little more about this Mastcam. The Mastcam Z is a pair of cameras that takes color images and video, three-dimensional stereo images. The cameras also are next to each other and point in the same direction, providing a 3D view similar to what our own human eyes can see or would see, only better. They also have a zoom function on them to see details of very far away objects and targets, capturing what is this very unique image you see right here. Same place, 2 times, but 2 distinctly different photos. If you look up into the right hand corner there where you see where I have it circled there in red, you'll see what looks like tiny little sinkholes, which can be made in the sand when the sand underneath it stays soft, while the sand atop becomes hardened over time. And on a hill like this, it could be really possible for loose sand to get displaced and then cause collapses and pockets, creating what we actually essentially know here on Earth as sinkholes. However, these photos even become more strange, and why they become more strange is that to create sinkholes, you essentially need moisture to absorb carbon dioxide to create the acidic water, which moves through spaces underground, dissolving limestone to create the network of cavities and voids, which in turn become the sinkhole. Which is why the current hypothesis on the Martian surface is sinkholes just don't exist there. It is proposed that the low pH environment resulting from the high CO2 content of the atmosphere will cause calcium carbonate to be deposited as calcite, cemented sandstone rather than limestone. And in another, I guess, even odder twist, it looks like there may have even been another one here at some point. If you look up just a little further to your right, what looks like almost a couple feet in this picture, I'm not exactly sure how far away this picture is taken. I know the Mastcam Z does have a pretty strong zoom, but this looks pretty close, which is really starting to make my head spin, because how does this happen twice? Not once, like I said, twice, when you're on Mars. And it's understood that it's impossible. I mean, could it be that the rover kicked a rock? No, I mean, the rover barely moves. Have you ever seen it? That thing, they move it so slowly, it takes days just to go feet. To kick something like that in that direction, to create skips like that, it's gonna have to have a pretty good spin on it. Leaving me with my only conclusion or option here, that this may actually be some form of life. And NASA is interested too, as they actually zoomed in for a better look at what was going on here. And yes, there is some sort of hole. If it's a sinkhole, I don't really know, but it definitely looks like something could have burrowed inside here. I mean, could that be what this actually is? I mean, I really don't know yet. It could be a new phenomenon, but very strange how it ripples. I mean, what do you guys think? It has me completely stumped. I mean, I'm calling it sandworms, guys, at least until NASA proves me wrong. But I mean, maybe there's small amounts of moisture here as well, which for a future mission to Mars would actually be very helpful. So I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. I'm kind of interested in what your guys' take is on this. I know some people, you know, the sandworms, and some people are just trying to debunk it. I'm a little in between. I don't really know. So hit me up in the comments below, and do me a favor. If you like this video and you want to see more content on the channel like this, do me a favor, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more interstellar happenings.